Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the 6th installment of our Infinite Divs journey. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I insist. Be sure to keep up, guys. We're going to move fast today. We're going to make it really quick. So today, Infinite Divs ID coin has reached new all-time highs, or is reaching new all-time highs. And you can see these sharp green candles right here. There's just tons of buy action. We're going to explain why this is happening. There's a lot of marketing going into this coin. There's a lot, and we've been around since the, there was like, what, 200, 150 holders. Okay, well, check this out, guys. 1,105 holders. I think my last video, we were at 440 to 450, something like that. Okay, the holders have more than doubled, almost tripled, and the price action is reflecting that. And what did I say? What did we say? Before, the more holders you get, the price goes up exponentially. Okay, the price goes up exponentially. So just a couple hundred more holders, the price might double. But the even though the number of holders only doubled, the price is like tripled or quadrupled. Okay, so we're seeing some amazing gains, and it's hitting new price floors as the tokens are burned. And there's just, there's just nothing wrong going with this coin. It's a slow burn. It's just taking its time, and there's consistent updates, small updates, consistent updates coming out. The website, for one, let's check it out. So the website was updated to be more mobile friendly. If you're following the Telegram, you already know this. If you're not, it's in the description below, as well as the Unirocket price tracker. So it tracks the supply. Everything we can see on BSC scan, we can see it here. Almost 1,100 holders, transfers, percentage burned, and all that stuff, as well as the contract address. And there's just a lot more information. This is a really I don't know. It's a lot more updated website. Which, believe it or not, website updates are critical catalysts for tokens to gain traction or gain value. So let's go to the Telegram now. We've seen the price 0.00081, which is an amazing price for this token. If you guys are looking for entries, okay, that's tricky. It's tricky. We're at 1,100 holders right now. Entries are when you see these sharp dips. So if anyone's considering entering, if you're not already in it or you want an entry, you kind of want to look for these like sharp dips and then buy. Like this would have been an excellent dip to buy. Of course, we know that after the fact, but you don't always know that before the fact, and that's why you got to stay up with news. Keep up with the news, and you can have an advantage because you can know before videos drop, you can know before marketing takes place, and you can buy when it's low and then ride those waves upwards. So don't forget when coins go up, don't forget to take a little bit of profits. That's just wise investing. You just want to take a little bit of profits up as it's going, and you want to preserve as much as you can for the big mooning phases, of course, but you still want to be taking a little bit of profits so you're not left. You never know what's going to happen in crypto. You never know. So this is PooCoin charts, PooCoin.app, and you can put the contract address of any coin and right there, and it'll track it for you. And you can also connect your wallet, and you can check all the coins in your wallet. PooCoin is a really amazing tool, guys. So let's move right over to the Telegrams here. Okay, this is the Infinite Divs official community chat. And if you are not already in this, it has 295 members, but there's 1,100 holders for the coin. So you can see that the amount of holders is quadruple, the amount of people in, keeping up with the community and everything. So be sure to join it if you're in, or if you're just interested in finding some entries and exits and all that stuff. So this is the Unirocket Unirocket Telegram updates are really helpful for keeping track of price in real time. It's not a chart, but it tells you how much was sold or how much was bought. This is basically a form of like whale alerting. So when whales drop a bunch, just after they did it, basically, and you know whether you want to buy more or whether you also want to sell. If there's a lot of dumping, you know whether you can just keep track of your positions that way. It's really helpful. So also in the Telegram, we have a big announcement. We have our own Telegram channel. So if you guys want to join this is a great place to stay up to date with all my videos, and also maybe just written updates that maybe you wouldn't get otherwise just following the channel. So if you're going to join this channel, we keep things respectful, we keep things happy. So just be sure to, our main goal with this channel is to teach and to learn. Okay, so if you guys are big players and you're really experienced in crypto, definitely consider joining this. If you're new, join, and you can ask questions. And I'm not active all the time in Telegram, but pretty much just like every day I hop on once or twice. So I don't live on Telegram, but I do keep up with a lot of different channels, a lot of different groups, as you can see on the side here. So anyway, this might be a great resource for you if you're new. Consider joining it. It's not very active right now, but hopefully we can grow a large community, friendly community who want to develop skills, wealth building skills. And that's really the goal that I want to, that's the goal, of my channel, is I want to teach people wealth building skills that they can use not just in crypto, but in other forms of trading or other forms of wealth development and preservation. So that's it for my video, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Make wise decisions, everyone. God bless.